Click on the link below to get price. The 1000W folding electric bike is a remarkable blend of power, portability, and convenience.
With its robust 1000W motor, this e-bike delivers an exhilarating ride that can reach speeds of over 30 miles per hour. The acceleration is impressive, providing a thrilling experience on both city roads and rural trails. Whether you're commuting to work or enjoying a weekend adventure, the bike's performance exceeds expectations. One of the standout features of this e-bike is its 48V 20.8AH large removable battery. This powerful battery ensures that you can cover significant distances on a single charge. With a range of up to 80 miles, it significantly reduces the anxiety often associated with electric bikes' battery life. The removable design is a game-changer, allowing you to easily charge the battery at home or take it with you for a quick top-up at work. This flexibility is especially useful for urban dwellers who may not have access to a power source near their parking spot. The folding capability of the bike adds to its appeal, making it easy to store or transport. It folds down compactly, fitting in small spaces or in the trunk of a car. This portability is a significant advantage for those who want to combine biking with public transportation or travel. The bike's design is both functional and stylish. The frame feels sturdy, yet lightweight, making it easy to maneuver. The adjustable seat and handlebars ensure that riders of all sizes can find a comfortable position. The included front and rear lights enhance visibility during night rides, adding an extra layer of safety.
In summary, the 1000W folding electric bike is an exceptional choice for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance e-bike.
Its powerful motor, impressive battery life, and convenient folding design make it ideal for a variety of riding scenarios.
Overall, this e-bike provides an exhilarating ride that seamlessly blends practicality with enjoyment.